Here we go, we got another one. Look at that, lovely blue sky. And then you come this way, where the wind's coming from. Yeah, this is thunder. You can see the rain coming down there, that, in the distance. Not far from the car, literally only 100 yards, so gonna see what we can get. Got the legend today, and just crack on until we get wet. Well, here we go, hole number 1, and there's 20p piece. All right. 20p. Oh, here we go. I think it's a bit of an old spoon ball. Oh no, it's real thin. Oh, it could be. Yeah. Very soft though. Very soft. I can move that around. Yeah. We'll have it, whatever it is. Oh, here we go in this hole. There's a big brass captive nut there, look. Different machinery, I expect. And there we go. Another 20p. I call this 20p hill. Hey, another 20p piece. Alright. Oh, that wind's picked up now. Bloody hell. Anyway, in this hole, a little tiny fimbuller. Oh, this is a ditty one, that. Little ditty one. Yeah, very nice. Tidy job. Yeah, those clouds don't look too good. Just heard thunder. I'm not far from the car, so if it does rain I can leg it back to that. But on the way back to the car, have we got here there? Little greenage. Alright. My wind's calmed down a bit, now it's picking up again. He doesn't know what he wants to do. 1882. Oh, nice. Nice Vicky. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Nice. Tidy job. Well, that wind's blowing the hula. Anyway, nice bit of furniture decoration there. Look. Yeah, lovely. Bit of Victorian stuff, Georgian stuff. Yeah, rain stops play. Come back to the car, I could see it coming over the hill, and I was like, oh yeah, let's get back to the car before I get wet. I got back to the car, shut the door, and then it hammered down. So, not good at all. Stay here for a bit. It like eases off, tips down, eases off, tips down. It was going good in that field, it was going good. I had a couple of nice finds, and I could see it coming in, so oh nah, it's not that. I ain't getting wet for a Victorian penny. Well, we had a right downpour then. Thunder, didn't see any lightning, like just a load of thunder. And that rain was rolling in over those hills it was, and I made a head for the car and it absolutely hammered down. So back out now, nice and sunny again. Bluish sky with a couple of white clouds. So yeah, let's get on it. Let's go find some treasure. Here we go, first swing, probably about 20 yards from the fence. Another hole. What we got there? A modern pound. A spendable modern pound as well. Alright. So that's 2 40p, 2 20p's and a pound. And that Vicky penny. A thimble so far. Yeah. Alright. Quid. Well, here we go in this hole. Probably don't want to see it. But anyway, it's a 1p piece. I'm going to show you everything I dig. So, 1p. From there. Well, here we go. not 10 foot from that 1 pence, a 2 pence piece. No hunters without one. 2p. Thunder's coming back. Sky has gone grey. Oh, we're making another dash for the car soon, I think. Oh, here we go, another one. Another green edge in the hole. Okay. Here's that. That's clear as the other one. 1935, is it? Who's he? That's George. Ultra fifth. 1935, I think that says. Hang on a minute. No, it can't be. Can't be. Oh yeah, what do you see that? 15, is it? 1915. Yeah, that's proper waxy. Really waxy. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. We'll have him. Thank you very much. Well, we just had that George V penny from that hole. There's something else in this one. Right next to it. Oop. Come on, treasure. Put the old knife out. Go away. Boink. Boink. Ground's dry as hell, but it's easy to dig. Oh! There it is. There it is. It popped out. Another one. Two in the space of oh, not even a foot. Was that 1942 or 1912? 1912. Alright. Oh, I bet it was a bloody digger. Ah, the matter. Yes. Alright. Two in the space of, oh, that far. Well, this was a big target. Chasing that. Oh, what was it? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a file. Just a draw file. Missing the old wooden handle there. Probably blunt as a nun's dewberry, but yeah, hedge fodder. Oh, I'm absolutely boiling, but the weather's coming back in again. It's been rumbling and rumbling. And you see the rain coming down there. It's only about 4 miles away, 3 miles away I expect now. And I get back to the car before I get totally soaked. The car's literally on the other side of that edge, so I'm going to have a quick swing to that edge. If I find something, it'll be on the end of this. If not, I'll be home having a cup of coffee and a biscuit, sitting down watching a bit of telly or YouTube, or TikTok is the thing now, isn't it? I'm on TikTok now as well. That's good. Good crack on there. Get away with murder on TikTok, you can. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out Leisure Promotions, metal detecting for your metal detecting needs and goods and gear. Oh, I just felt some rain, and just get over there. Use my 10% discount code, which is Pelican. You'll have to there, and treat yourself to something funky. Right then, tidy job. Catch you again. Well, just made it back to the car. Just in time as well. Still got my pouch on though. I'm a digging knife. Didn't have time to take it off. Right then, here we go.
Right guys, got a bit of situation here. I kind of crashed the car. Yeah! What? Yeah.